afternoon and welcome to the channel, guys. Great things for the Redeye today. But first, today's video is brought to you by Car Gazette. It is basically the loot crate for automotive enthusiasts. I'm going to show you guys what's inside and explain what's going on. And I'll explain what this is later on in the video once I get back here in the garage to install the new mod for the Redeye. We'll talk about Car Gazette and exactly what it is and why they've sponsored this video. First, I want to take the Redeye out, make a few runs, and listen to the exhaust, clean it up, get back here so I can spray some F11 top coat on it, get the mod installed. We're going to talk about Car Gazette, but I also want to point out some very exciting news. I've been speaking with one of the owners of Diablo Sport Racing, and they are going to be sponsoring the Redeye with a PCM unlocked as well as the Trinity T2. So that is great news. We are ready to mod the Redeye. Today I'm going to skip the cold start. We're just going to get in the Redeye, get driving. No, I'm just kidding. I know a lot of people are probably saying right now, oh my God, no, cold start. Of course, we're going to give it a cold start. Would this really be a great video if there wasn't a cold start? I don't think so. Sounds better every single time I do that. Time to hit the road. Let's drive the Redeye. Let's clean it up, get back here, and get the new mod installed. So that was a wicked ride, and I almost lost control going from second to third as I was entering the highway. That was really crazy. Now let's talk about the sponsor of today's video, Car Gazette. You go to cargazette.com, and whether you're an import JDM or muscle car fanatic, you can sign up for any one of those three and a monthly subscription, and you get goodies sent in a box right to your door every month, like a loot crate box. Let's see what they sent me so you guys can have an idea of what to expect from their premium muscle car loot crate box. First, Microfiber Wash from Chemical Guys. This is really good stuff. It's going to clean all your microfiber towels just like the ones I have over there in the corner of the Challenger. As I was using Top Coat F11 today to clean up the car after washing it, this stuff will clean your rags, microfiber, polishing, pads for your buffer, anything. This stuff just takes the wax and the residue right out of the rags, keeps them maintained and clean. This way you can keep using them on your car. It works better than any laundry detergent. I'll tell you guys that for a fact. There's also hose clamps in here, as well as, of course, their business card, a Challenger decal, and Wild Never Dies. Now that's really cool. I really love this Challenger decal. could just put it like right here. I don't know. I don't know where I put that, but that's a really cool decal. Maybe put it in my office, or maybe just put it somewhere on the car. I don't know. I think it's a really kick-ass decal, but and an air freshener that says Wild Never Dies, Car Gazette on the other side. That's pretty cool. There is a t-shirt in here. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's a really soft t-shirt too. Hellcat Car Gazette. Now that is awesome right there. That is a badass t-shirt. A microfiber towel. This is actually a really good quality towel too. And this is what I was saying. The chemical guys will wash this. So you get all kinds of neat stuff. Let's see what else they got in here. Another t-shirt. 2 t-shirts. That's pretty cool. Oh, this one says Car Gazette. Wild Never Dies. Now that is a really great t-shirt as well. So you get 2 t-shirts in the premium Loot Crate box. Now this is going up in the garage. This is awesome. So you can see with this premium box, every month is going to be different. I got 2 t-shirts. I got this poster for the garage, microfiber towel, the cleaner from Chemical Guys, hose clamps, more decals of the car air freshener, really neat stuff that you get every month. They're going to change it up and send you stuff that's relative to muscle cars or import, whatever you chose. It's just a really great product. Thank you so much, Car Gazette, for sending me the premium subscription. I really appreciate it. Definitely check them out, guys. thecargazette.com, premium subscription boxes. That is exactly what I have here. Also, to let you guys know, if you like the Car Gazette, I might be working with them on doing a custom Driveway Demons premium subscription box where you're going to get key tags or maybe even t-shirts from me. We're going to move on to today's mod, which is the catch can I've been waiting to install. Okay, so that is the bolt that I'm removing in order to install the catch can. Very easy install. It's a 13 millimeter. Nothing hard whatsoever. I'm going to get this off first. It's the tensioner bolt, or at least one of them. And this is exactly where the catch can is going to install, or the bracket for the catch can. It's a very straightforward install. Okay, so here is the stock bolt, and then here's the UPR bolt. You can see it's just a little bit longer, which is needed to install the bracket. So it installs with this portion of the bracket down. Bolt goes through here, installs in the exact same spot. This is identical whether you have a Charger or a Challenger. All Hellcat engines are the same. Redeye, Demon, doesn't matter. They're all identical. Before I tighten, I'm going to set the catch can at the top in the position I want it. Then I'm going to snug everything down. Let's go ahead and remove this out of the way. There we go. Always release the hose from the supercharger snout first. This way you can swing it around and access the clip on this piece. Makes it a lot easier. For anybody out there who's doing this install. So this hose goes right there. And this one goes right inside here. It's a tight fit, but it'll go in. There we go, snapped into place. That one's snapped into place. Get this back up. There we go, catch can installed. Just gonna tighten everything up. I think it sits good right about here, so I'm gonna tighten it in place. Well, that is it for today's video. It was a learning experience for me, shifting from second to third aggressively like that in the weather, the elements, not good. Almost lost control of the Redeye, but I was able to stabilize, and I'm sure you guys thought it was hilarious at the same time, badass that this thing can fishtail in third gear, or going into third gear. But that is it for today's video. I'm hoping you guys enjoyed it. got the catch can installed, and I have a lot of things coming for the Redeye, some pretty exciting stuff. The Redeye is a completely different beast than the Hellcat. I'm gonna throw in an Instagram video I recorded on my phone right now. Just listen to how this thing shifts. Pretty insane, huh? Not to mention all the videos I recorded earlier, but the way this thing shifts is just nuts. Don't forget to check out the store, drivewithdemons.com. Get your merch there. Check out my brother's channel, This Can't Be Happening. All lowercase, one word. If you're stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe, comment below, thumbs up. Let me know what you think of today's video. And for all my returning subscribers, thanks so much for watching all my videos. But until the next video, take care and have a great night.